Section means division. Suppose there are 2 points. A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. The line segment joining these 2 points. This is a line segment joining A point and B point. In the middle, somewhere you have taken a point P. So here look at this one. This P is dividing the line segment joining these 2 points. Yes or no? This P point is dividing the line segment which is joining these 2 points. Yes or no? In some ratio. In some ratio means, for example, I am telling this is one part, so this is 3 parts. For example, if it is 1 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter, so the ratio will be what? AP is 1 centimeter and PB is 3 centimeter. The ratio will be AP by PB. Ratio means division. AP by PB is what? 1 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Centimeter gets cancelled. 1 by 3 can be written as 1 is to 3. So that the ratio will be what? 1 is to 3. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So this section formula will help us. Suppose if they have given the point, this point is given, this point is given, this point is given, finding the ratio, in which ratio that particular point will divide the joining of A and B, that model. And sometimes what they will give, A point they will give, B point they will give ratio also, and they will ask us to find out the point. So to know this point, to know this dividing point, the formula is, in general I am writing, in general I will draw the picture here. Okay, here only, this is A point x1 y1, this is B point x2 y2. Suppose somewhere you have selected the point P here, in which ratio? M is to N. For example, ratio is what? M is to N. Then if you wanted to know that this dividing point, so P, if you wanted to know what is the dividing point, which point is dividing the joining of A point and B point in the ratio M is to N, if you wanted to know, P is P for what actually? What is P here? What is P here? P is one point, no? Point means every point is having some x coordinate and y coordinate, no? Yes or no? So, so bracket open. In that first I am writing x coordinate. How I am writing? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Did you observe that? I am writing x coordinate only. So mx2 plus n x1. So when you are writing x coordinate, we should select only x and x coordinates only. So m x2 n x1. So first m with m x2 came, with n x1 came. Simple technique. So left side one with the right side one n with the left side point x coordinate, comma. Next I am writing y coordinate. So this gives the x coordinate. Can you tell me by observing this what is a y coordinate? Tell me. Same logic. My2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Same logic. So this m y2 n y1 by m plus n. So to know the point, dividing point in the given ratio, this point, this formula is known as which formula? Section formula. Section means division here. So the dividing point, to know the dividing point, we will use that section formula. Please keep this formula in your mind, so that any question is given we can answer very easily. Let us try to read this one. Find the coordinates of the point. So we need to find out the point. Find the coordinates of the point means we need to find the point only, which divides the join of this point and this point in the ratio 2:3. You tell me what they have given as per our formula and what they are asking us to find. Yes. Okay. Okay. So which is A? You tell me. Which is A? So this is A point. Which is B? 4 comma minus 3. Ratio is represented by M is to N. Correct, no? M is to N. So they are asking point P. P they are asking. So can we apply section formula here? We can apply section formula easily. And we, okay, 66 one. We need to find out the coordinates. So let A point is minus 1 comma 7, B is 4 comma minus 3. Minus 1 comma 7, B is 4 comma minus 3. 66 no? Let A point is minus 1 comma 7. B is what? 4 comma minus 3. 4 comma minus 3. And ratio. What is the ratio? M is to N is equal to, what is the ratio? 2 is to 3. So they are asking us to find out P is equal to question mark. Yes or no? So this is the information you can observe here. So point A, point B, the line segment joining point A and point B is divided by one point P in the ratio 2 is to 3. This A point is minus 1 comma 7 and B point is 4 comma minus 3. How to identify A point and B point? See, join of, the word is there, no? Join of. So joining of these 2 points. Joining of these 2 points, this dividing, which point? This point is dividing. So this point we need to find. So find the point. So this is required for us. A is given, this is B, and the ratio is given as 2 is to 3. Understood? Clear everyone how to identify A and B? Clear, no? Yes. So let us write here, this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, and this is y2, and this is m, and this is n. Let us try to solve now as per the section formula. As per section formula. So what you can write as per section formula? Tell me the formula. Anyone? P is equal to, tell me, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Observe here, P point we need to find. Mx2, what is the value of m? M is 2. So 2 into x2 plus n value is what? 3. 3 into x1 by m plus n. M plus n means, tell me what is m plus n? 2 plus 3. And the next m y2, m is 2 into y2 value plus n is 3 into y1 value by m plus n means 2 plus 3. Here I did not write that x1 y1 and x2 y2 values. Let us write now. This is x2. X2 means what? 4, no? So this 4. X1, x1 means minus 1, so that minus 1 we will write here. This is y2. Y2 means minus 3, so that minus 3 I am writing here. Y1, what is mean by y1 here? 7. Is it clear everyone, this one? Hmm. So the next step is 2 into 4 is 8, plus into minus is minus, 3 into 1 is 3. divided by 2 plus 3 is 5, comma, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 3 is 6, plus 3 into 7 is 21, divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. Next step, 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 by 5. 5 divided by 5. 21 minus 6 is 15, divided by 5. So when you divide this 5 with 5, what is the answer you are going to get? 5 one time, 5 one time. So 5 one time, 5 three times. Tell me, what is the point? So the point P is equals to, this is 1 by 1 means 1, 3 by 1 means 3. So this is the dividing point coordinates. So here x coordinate is, what is the x coordinate is y 1, y coordinate is 3. So find the coordinates of the point. So this coordinates only 1 comma 3. So x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is there. You tell me. First you have to write the correct formula. Then see formula how to write also I told you. Mx2, first x coordinates we are writing. When we are writing x coordinate, this is x2, this is x1. When you are writing y coordinates, this is y2, this is y1. Just you remember this one, automatically this one will come. So m, so m x2 n x1 addition. Next m plus n is common here, here also. Next x2 plus y2 will come, x1 plus y1 will come. That is the only change you have to observe. If you learn the formula clearly, automatically the calculation and assuming this x1 y1 and x2 y2 and m is to n will decide the answer. What they are asking? Find the ratio. Such kind of questions are very important. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining. So line segment joining the points, this point and this point. That means these is divided by this point. Now you tell me which is A, which is what they are asking us to find. So m is to n they are asking us to find. M is to n. Okay, and you identify A, B, and P. So this is A, this is B, divided by. So which point is dividing, that point is P. So A is given, B is given, P is given. We need to find out the ratio. So it here point is not given, ratio is given, A, B are given like this only. So ratio is given, finding the point. A point is given, finding the ratio. This is somehow a different question only. And this 67, if you are perfect 70 question also you can do it. That is why now I am going to explain 67. Today your work is to practice 66th one, 67th one, and question number 70. If you wanted to do practice, you take one more question, that is 68. Please make a note, everybody. 67, finding the ratio. A point is minus 3 comma 10. A point is, let A point is minus 3 comma, what is the point? 10, 10, 6 comma minus 8. And B 6 comma minus 8 is divided by which point? Minus 1 comma 6. So P point is minus 1 comma 6. So they are asking us to find out ratio. So M is to N equal to question mark. This they are asking us to find. So the line segment joining these two points, point A and point B. So minus 3 comma 10. Next point is 6 comma minus 8. So divided by one point, that point is what? Minus 1 comma 6. They are asking us to find out the ratio. That ratio only they are asking us to find. So in finding the ratio type questions, what we have to do, instead of using m is to n, what I will do, very easy technique you should follow. Let the ratio, let the ratio be, you assume the ratio as k is to 1. What to be assumed? How to assume? Let the ratio as what? K is to, from where we got this k is to 1? See, m and n both are unknown quantities. Actual ratio is m is to n. Divide both sides with m. Divide both sides with n. Divide both sides with n. So m by n you assume with one constant k is to n by n is 1 only. So that k is to 1, like that only I have taken. To make my calculation as much as simple, I am selecting one of the ratio terms as 1. So that is why I selected the ratio as k is to 1. Observe here, this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2, and this is m and this is s. Next, section formula. We need to write section formula. What is the section formula? P is equal to point p. Point p is equal to, formula tell me, m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Here you can observe p. P is already given as minus 1 comma 6. That only a change here comparing to our previous question. P is minus 1 comma 6. So instead of p, I can write minus 1 comma 6. Be very careful. This p substitution. Anyway, p point we know that. That's why instead of p, I am writing minus 1 comma 6. Next, m value k. So k into x2 plus n value. What is the value of n is 1. So 1 into x1 by m plus n. M plus n means k plus 1. Next one, m y2. M is k only. So into y2 plus n is 1 only into y1 by m plus n means k plus 1. Next I am writing this x2, x1 and y2, y1 values. Yes, x2. X2 means 6. X1 means minus 3. Next we have to write this y2. Y2 is, what is y2? Is minus 8. Y1, what is y1? Is 10. Only 10. You can observe here. Okay, right? Then calculation, minus 1 comma 6 is equals to k into 6 is 6k, plus into minus is minus, 1 into 3 is 3 divided by k plus 1, plus into minus is minus, k into 8 is 8k, plus 1 into 10 is 10 only, divided by k plus 1. After are equal, then their x coordinates are equal as well as y coordinates are equal, no? Okay. So points are, when can we say that the 2 points are equal? If this is 1 comma 3, another point also 1 comma 3, both points are not different, both are equal, we can say. Why they are equal? X coordinates are equal and y coordinates are also equal. So because of that reason, we can apply this technique only. Because of this equality sign, their x coordinates are equal and y coordinates are also equal. So let me go with the x coordinates are equal. What are the x coordinates here? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 is equal to, so minus 1 is equal to x coordinate. What is the x coordinate? 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. So this k plus 1 is dividing, if you transpose, it will multiply with minus 1. So minus 1 into k plus 1 is equals to 6k minus 3. Minus into plus is minus, 1 into k is k only. Minus into plus is minus, 1 into 1 is 1. 6k minus 3. So we need to find out the value of k. So that what I will do, this minus k if I transpose, already 6k is here, minus k comes to this side, plus k, minus 1 is here, plus 3 if you transpose it will be minus 3 if you transpose it will become as plus 3. 6k plus 1k is 7k. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that we got the value of k. We want only k. So that implies 7k equal to 2. So k is equal to what? 2 divided by 7 is multiplying. If you transpose, k is equal to 2 by 7. Sir, I don't like x coordinates. I wanted to go with y coordinates. Okay. If you are taking y coordinate equal to y coordinate also, you will get the same answer. I will give you the steps here. 6 is equals to, what is 6 is equal to minus 8k, minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. So k plus 1, if you transpose, it will be multiplied. 6 into k plus 1 is equals to minus 8k plus 10. Next step is 6 into k is 6k plus 6 into 1 6k. 6 into 1 is 6 minus 8k plus 10. So minus 8k, if you transpose, it will become as, already 6k is there, minus 8k will become as plus 8k. Already 10 is here right side, plus 6, if you transpose, minus 6. 6k plus 8k is 14k. 10 minus 6 is 4. We need only k value, 4 by 14. 2 2s are 2 7 times. So the value of k is 2 by 7. Are you getting the same answer or a different answer? Yes, clear everyone? So that in calculation, in examination, either you can do this one or you can do this one. Any one you can do it. You need not do both. If you do left side x coordinate equal to x coordinate, if you make also k value 2 by 7, or y coordinate equal to y coordinate, if you make also k value 2 by 7. Therefore, we can write this k is to 1 we assumed. K is to 1. The ratio will be what? The ratio is equal to, actually k is to 1. So k is to 1 means 2 by 7 is to 1. Whenever we have a by 1 means a only. A by 1 can be written as a is to 1. Can we write like that? A is to 1. So a is to 1 is a only. Same way 2 by 7 is to 1 is 2 by 7. Further 2 by 7 can be written as 2 is to 7. 2 by 7 can be written as 2 is to 7. So this is the required ratio.